Hello JVs, this is Mosh Barry. You have Google Drive, Dropbox, and Amazon S3 accounts, right? Awesome. But how much recurring profits have you made using those accounts? I'll give you some time. Let me come by here. Well, none? Awesome. Don't worry about it because now you can. Your customers can. Your clients can. How? Tribe Engine. Tribe Engine is launching on 30th March 2021 with my partner Simon Disney on JVZoo. Tribe Engine allows you to connect your storage accounts, and in just a few clicks, the files stored in your storage accounts become your products, and you can create your first recurring profit generating membership sites. You can sell softwares, you can sell courses, you can sell licenses, you can sell anything you want that are in those drives. Now the biggest hook for this product is agency hook, because there are so many local experts are out of business due to the COVID and lockdown situation, and they're all coming back through online, but they don't have the technology. With Tribe Engine, you simply connect those storage accounts, and in a few clicks, all the files stored in your accounts becomes your products, your courses. We generated over $800,000 in sales revenue using Tribe Engine selling online courses. We have a 7-figure copywriter on board, we have a deep funnel, and we have over $10,000 in contest prizes. All informations are on the JV page, but in case you need anything else, do let me or Simon know and we will hook you up. So, see you on the leaderboards. 30th March 2021. Tribe Engine is launching on JVZoo. See you on the leaderboards.